Hello soul buddies, welcome back to another short tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a very clean and fast encasing boning channel for your garments. Now it can be used on corsets, it can be used on other designs of your garments. So get a piece of your fabric, measure 1.5 inch and cut. You can cut them on straight or on bias depending on the kind of structure you're trying to create. Now take your sewable boning, fold one edge of the fabric over it and stitch down. When you're done stitching that side down, take the other side of the boning, pull the fabric over it, make sure it's tight and firm for a clean finish, and stop stitch down. So this is very good because it's creating a channel already. You can still pass in your plastic boning into it, only that you have to go a size down. This sewable boning is 3/8, your plastic boning will be 2/8. Trim off any excess fabric that is left from your 1.5 inch so that it will look neat when you place on the garment. Now place on your marked garment and follow the stitched line that you already have and stitch the two edges. When you're done stitching, you can now pass in your plastic boning. If this tutorial was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, and if you have any questions, drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to get back to you. And if there is any topic you would like me to treat, I will definitely try to do a video on it. I love you so buddies, and bye for now.